Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add TikTok widget to your Android's home screen. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to tap and hold at any empty area on your Android's home screen like this, and you'll be able to find a bunch of different options, and you'll have to tap on widgets on the bottom. Now right here you'll be able to find the list of all the applications that have been installed on your phone, and you'll have to tap on TikTok because you want to add the TikTok widget to your Android's home screen. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to choose the logo, choose the widget that you add. For example, I want to add this widget, this one, the last one. I'll simply tap on add widget. You'll have to tap and hold on it and then drag it to your home screen. Now you can see the widget is successfully added to my home screen. And if I want to, let's say, search something on TikTok, I'll simply tap on search and it will take me to the TikTok application uh, search feed. So if you want to remove this widget, you'll have to tap and hold on the widget and tap on remove, and it will be successfully removed from your home screen. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.